You own a successful body shop. You operate a fast-moving recreation vehicle facility. You manage critical processes within a lumber mill. You'd like to grow, but you're limited by two primary factors: labor and production capacity. Perhaps you can hire more people. In today's tight labor market, finding the qualified workers you need may be difficult. You can also expand your facilities, but capital considerations or practical constraints may make that impossible. That's where Industrial Finishes and Systems comes in. We'll guide you as you select products that support your business. We'll identify leading-edge tools and equipment you need, sourced from a wide range of industries. We'll help with training and techniques that are crucial to maintaining a productive workforce. And we'll make sure that you are getting the absolute most from your production capacity through systems designed to remove bottlenecks and increase throughput profitability. Call Industrial Finishes and Systems today at 800-531-1305 or visit www.industrialfinishes.com. We're here to help make you the hero of your own success story.